Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about custom error message component which we can reuse. Previously, we have seen the how to create the reusable component for date and input radio and select. So here I'm going to use the error message component. Initially, we have used the default error message component given by the Formik. So here you can see the error message is passing from the Formik itself. Go to the front end. So here I'm clicking and without any value I came back. Here you can see the required value. So if I inspect this one, here we didn't. So open those container and require. It is simply required. So if I provide component div, then the required will be covered with the div tag. So refresh and now inspect the required element. So now you can see the div tag. If I change this to the span, it will change to the span. So again refresh and check against, inspect the required value. Here you can see the value has been changed to span. So if you want, you can use this. Otherwise, you can create your own custom error message. So create error message.jsx. So create function and here you have to get the children children and here I'm going to provide children and style color red to know the difference. So copy the style and paste inside this one. And now go to the input tag and import the error messages. Import error messages and use these error messages instead of span. Error messages and go to the front end. Here you can see the component which is written required in red color. So we have provided this tail in the error message component it only. So in the same way you have to replace this error message in every component. So first of all I'm going to copy the error messages, copy the whole component, change to date checkbox. So instead of div tag, now we can use this error message radio and select text area. So these error messages also we need to import. So select input radio and checkbox. So these error messages will be used in every component. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.